Hi everyone, my name is Kaushal and I am going to discuss about the feature number 9 of the Python project named Student Management System. In feature 9, I am going to define a function named the subject topper find. So, in this video, or you can say in this function, I uses the concept of nested loop, dictionaries and conditionals element. So this is definition of subject underscore topper. First line denote the header. Next is for this line is iterating over the subject list. See, the variable that we have already defined. This is the subject tuple, not list. This is a subject tuple, and we are going to iterate over on the tuple for each student, and we initialize some variable like best resource is equal to -1, best name is null, and score is empty list. Now again inside this is the another for statement inside the one for students. So this is the example of nested for loop. There is another for loop inside the outside for loop. So here we are going to iterate over the students dictionary. This is the data of many students. This is a dictionary. See, so we are going to iterate over all the record of these students, and after iterating over this, we find out the student marks and corresponding subjects for each student. Marks, and this is the subject that we have iterated here. So first is I am going to paste the examples so that it can easily be understandable by yourself. See, this is the marks dictionary, and this is the tuple. So we iterate over this tuple, getting the subject. After getting the subject, we find out the marks of that particular students. So suppose first one is Python. So Python marks, student marks of Python is 92. So here it will store the 92 variable, 92 value of the inside this variable. After that, we are going to store all the value of all the subject inside this list. This is the this dot append of score. So this will contain the value of 92, 88, 78, 85 and 91. Likewise, uh, contains the uh, uh, contains the marks of each and one students. Next is the if statement. Here we are finding out the best student name if score is greater than best score. So first time this is -1. Yes, this will be the greater than -1. We are going to store inside this variable and find out the best name, student name. After that, finding out the class average. Class average is sum of the scores. Here we store the scores of overall class. divide by the length of score. So it will show the class average. Next is passing count. So this is a for loop, and here we can do with the help of comparison. So for as in scores, all value of the all marks of each subject of for each students we iterate over is this. If for S in score, if S is greater than passing marks is 40. So if it is greater than 40, then took the one, otherwise not do anything. So it will count the total passing counts, and this is the var. To present the var is this image multiplied by the best score divided by 10 plus this 10 minus best score multiplied by the 10. So next is the print the subject upper name of the subject. After that, topper name that we have derived from this for loop. This is the topper name, and next one is the class average, and in next statement is past student. How many student passed? So pass count divided by length of student means total student is 8 and 7 is passed. So this statement print this line. After that, if passing count is less than length of student, that it means that uh, total students are not passed, some are fail. So we are going to print the student name of who failed. So if pass count is less than the length of students, so failed is equal to, again this is the example of list comparison. So iterate over the for all students for as if as marks and subject is less than passing marks, then find out the name of that particular students. After that, here if there is more than one students, then we can print in one line by using the comma. So this is the usage of join. If there are more students and if we want to print all the value of that particular variable, we use the join statement. So for Python, this is the topper, class average is this is the student name, how many students pass, and the student which are failed, print the name of that particular students here. So this is the print of all subjects. So this provides the subject wise topper. So this is the function which provides the subject by topper. So that's it for this video. In this video, we complete the feature number 9. Now, in the next video, I am going to cover about the interactive menu system, while loop plus match case. So in this function, or you can say that with the help of this program, we provide the interactive menu system. So I can show you the output of this statement. This is the overall report of whatever we have discussed in this projects, all the functions, all all the different helper function and the different variable we use at once and provide the some interactive menu system which print the overall class performance, like Python Academy print out all students. After that, the view all statement, add new students, search student, update marks, delete student, print report card, class analytical, attendance report, subject by topper and exists. So whatever we have discussed in this project, all the functionality we use at once and provide the interactive reports or output for the student management system. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much.